Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common household headache, that annoying squeak from your washing machine. With 2025's latest tips and tricks, you can fix this yourself and save on repair costs. I'm your host, and let's get straight to it. First off, why is your washing machine squeaking? It could be due to worn-out belts, loose parts, or even an unbalanced load. These issues are more common in older models, but even 2025 machines can develop them over time. The good news is, most fixes are straightforward and require basic tools. Before we start, safety first. Unplug your washing machine and turn off the water supply. Gather your tools. A screwdriver set, lubricant like WD-40, and maybe a level to check for balance. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Inspect the exterior. Open the door and check for any loose screws or bolts around the drum. Tighten them up with your screwdriver. If it's still squeaking, move to step 2. Examine the belt. You'll need to remove the back panel for this. Look for any cracks or wear. If it's damaged, replace it. This is a quick fix that often solves the problem. Next, if the belt looks fine, the issue might be with the bearings or pulleys. Apply a small amount of lubricant to these areas, but be careful. Too much can cause bigger problems. Remember, for 2025 models with smart features, check the app for any error codes first. Once you've made the adjustments, plug everything back in and run a test cycle. Listen closely. If the squeak is gone, great job. If not, it might be time to call a professional, especially if your machine is under warranty. There you have it, folks. Fixing a squeaking washing machine is easier than you think and can extend your appliance's life. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.